Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Angela, and if you like all things lifestyle, beauty, and fashion, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you give this video a like. So I wanted to actually decorate this bar cart. This is my bar cart I've had for a long time. It is rose gold and it will be linked down in the description box below. I decided to go ahead and get this bar cart because I just really love the rose gold on it. It looks a hot mess right now, but we're going to try to fix that. Today we're just going to decorate the top half. Let's just get into it. So as you can see, this bar cart is it's beautiful. It's so gorgeous. It is a great addition to my home and I love it. I just have to be able to decorate it in such a way that it will be very functional for me and what it is that I would like to achieve with this bar cart. What I want to actually achieve with this bar cart is to organize it in such a way that I have all of my body sprays on here for now, and then I have at the bottom you can see that it looks like my coffee cup is sleeping down there. We're just going to decorate this top half here. And then you see my skincare fridge down at the bottom. So let's get right into it. So I have these beautiful trays that I have gotten from Target. They are so beautiful. I'm just going to go ahead and try to organize it to put all my body sprays on here and then use the other one as well for decoration on the top part of my vanity. And I think this would go so well with the do-it-yourself craft that I just made. So if you're interested in that DIY makeup collection organization unit, then make sure that you check out that video above. But let's get right into it. Good, huh? I love it. Came out beautifully. I have my brushes in the front. I have all my body sprays, my Bath and Body Works body sprays in the back. I do have some from Walgreens. I really love this. This is Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. Sometimes when you go into Walgreens, you can actually pick up some really nice fragrances, body sprays, you guys. So don't overlook Walgreens. They do have some great stuff in there. Great body mist and some really nice packaging as well. So check them out as well. Now I'm going to decorate the other half with this second circle that I got from Target. If I can find any of these items in the video, I'll link them down below. Make sure you check out my description box. But let's go ahead and decorate the second half. And that was my snow bunny. She is amazing. So I hope you guys all enjoyed me decorating my bar cart, and I hope you guys thought that this was a great idea for organizing some items on your bar cart. This is what I organize it with right now. At the moment, it looks beautiful to me. It's gonna go really good with the DIY I just done in the other video. So make sure that you check that out. I love you guys. Talk to you later. Enjoy. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.